Ever wondered why your iPhone location isn't updating on Find My iPhone? You're not alone, and this video will show you how to solve it. Part 1. How to fix Find My iPhone not updating location. Method 1. Reopen app or use iCloud. This is a basic method. Reopen the Find My app or use iCloud Find My. Some users from Apple community reflect that these two ways work for them. Method 2. Check your internet. You should check if you have a stable internet connection to update its location. On Wi-Fi or cellular, make sure you have internet. Method 3. Enable location service. Location services must be active to function properly. Method 4. Close airplane mode. Airplane mode will affect the location sharing feature, so make sure you have disabled airplane mode before using Find My. Method 5. Update your phone. If your iOS version is too old, it is better update it and use Find My correctly. Method 6. Check your battery setting. Close battery saver mod. Method 7. Find My settings. Check your Find My iPhone settings. Tap on the Find My tab and ensure that Send Last Location is enabled. Part 2. How to manually update Find My location with Location Tracker. If you're looking to manually update the location on your iPhone, especially when automatic updates aren't working as expected, using a location tracker like FamiGuard Pro can be a great solution. FamiGuard Pro is particularly useful for parents wanting to monitor their children's location for safety reasons. Fixing the issue of your iPhone location not updating on Find My iPhone can be easy if you follow the right steps.